Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install Microsoft Edge browser on Oppo A78 5G. And to do this you'll need to open a Google Play Store. Now find Microsoft Edge. Install it. Then when it's ready, click on the open. Right here we can customize the browser, and first thing is instructions on how to use it. You can read through it if you like. I'm gonna skip this introduction. Right here we can customize the homepage, so you can show your wallpaper, show most view sites and news feeds. Click on the next, and here we can sign in to our account to synchronize different devices with these browsers. Click on not now, in this case because I'm skipping it. You can also make Microsoft Edge a default browser. And here, accept or disagree with the data sharing preference. Click on confirm, and now the browser is ready. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.